from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 11/11 purchases last November. It's already December, 12/12 is about to come, and Christmas is just around the corner. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my purchases last 11/11. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Alright, so for 11/11, I honestly didn't buy anything for myself anymore. I think I'm over the phase of buying makeup for myself, although I did a little shopping for myself last Black Friday. So I really love these sale events because you get to save a lot of money, especially during Black Friday. So maybe as soon as all the items that I've purchased over Black Friday arrives, today is Cyber Monday by the way, so all of the things that I've purchased this weekend, as soon as I get them, I'll probably upload another video for that. So anyway, for today, I'm going to be featuring all the 11/11 purchases that I've made. Honestly, all of them are for my cats. As you may know, I have a new set of cats, or a new family of cats that I've just adopted. And the mother is actually here, the queen is actually here. This is Insa. She's a little feisty. Insa. But let me just get her. Insa. Ayaw niyang kinakari. So I bought these catit toys for them. Catit is actually a brand that's international. A lot of cat owners buy these toys because you can actually build like a series of circuit, interactive, sensory play toys for your cat. So I actually purchased 4. These would go for about 1,000 plus to 3,000 pesos in the mall. So I really wanted to have these toys for them for the longest time now, but I didn't purchase them because it was too expensive. Like a $20 toy is really expensive for cats. So I waited, and all of these are actually if I total them, they're just about 3,000, 2,000 plus to 3,000 pesos. So not bad versus buying one piece of circuit toy for about $20. Alright, so let me just share with you like a quick review of how my cats love them, whether they're worth it to buy or not. This is Nori, one of Insa's toys. Okay, so let me just first get this. As you may notice, there are like 2 versions of it. I'm not sure if they're of the same company, but I think they are, or maybe not, but okay, let me just check the company name. Parang walang company name isa. But this is like Germany. And when you tag them, ito lang yung feature nila. So feeling ko this is a knockoff. I really don't know, but they fit with each other's circuit toys. So hindi ko talaga alam if one's just fake and the other is parang lumang version lang. I really don't know. I haven't really done my research on this. Oh no, they're the same. They're of the same company. Maybe they're of a different series. One is newer than the other. I really don't know. But they're the same. It's the same yung company name na sila. I honestly have forgotten the prices of each of these. I know they run for about 600 to 800 pesos. I think the most expensive was this one, you see. And sulit siya, kahit 800 pesos kasi sobrang gusto nila ito. They play with this or they use this every night, as in. So basically, I'll share with you a clip. Basically, they just put food over here, and then slowly, as they put their hands in the slots, babagsak yung food, and they get to enjoy it. They won't have to gobble the food up easily to prevent choking. So ito yun. This is a really nice toy. This is the most expensive, but it's super worth it. The next I'll share with you is probably this. This is like the most basic of it all. And I know you can buy like cheaper versions of this. We do have a cheaper version of this, which is also included in my 11/11 purchase. That's like about 300 pesos less, and my cats love that too. But this is a specialized toy because I wanted to have a circuit toy for them that matches the entire catit system. There are longer circuit toys, there are longer versions of this, And those are more expensive. This is just about 600 pesos. And maikli lang siya. So you can actually purchase longer versions of this. And what's great about that is you can actually attach them to each other. Pwede nyo siyang idagdag. So kapag bumili ka pa ng extra na ganito, and there are different versions. Like there are elevated ones. Ito pantay lang siya all throughout. There are elevated ones. And then, basta pwede mo siyang i-attach. So you can like create your own unique circuit. And then you can actually buy lighted toys. And I've already bought one from Amazon. So parating na siya. I'm excited to like switch it up para they can play with it paggabi. Paggabi kasi boring na, hindi na nila makita yung ball. Alright, and let's proceed with the next one. I'd like to talk about this. This one I've seen with so many other cat rescuers. And one of the reasons why I wanted to buy catit toys. So I was really intrigued by this kasi nga, one of the problems of your cats is if you feed them, sometimes they get overexcited and nagmamadali silang kumain. So when you feed them in a bowl, they'd gobble it up and then they'd end up choking and then just throwing up all those food that they've eaten. So parang sayang. The reason why cat owners or even dog owners purchase these kinds of toys or parang slow feeding dishes is para hindi sila madali and you know, they get to enjoy their food slowly para hindi sila mag-throw up. Miso! And so I purchased this. This is one of the purchases that I was excited to get but sadly hindi nagustuhan ng cats ko. This is about I think 700 pesos. And ito siya. Yan. Basically, it's like a big plate with small cups in it and you put the food inside here. So para dudukutin ng cats mo. But hindi gusto ng cats ko to. They honestly just ignore this. They enjoy this so much more. The chili is so much better for them than this one. So I don't know what I'll do with this. I'll probably move this in another cat room. We group our cats to different rooms. Kung sino yung magkakasundo, sila yung magkakasama. So sadly for this group, like for Insaf and the gang, hindi nila gusto to. So I'd probably just move this in another room and I hope that my other cats would appreciate it para hindi masayang yung purchase. And finally, we are down to the last catit item. This is my last catit item. I think this is about also 600 pesos. Pantay lang to with the circuit. So, this is the massage center and this is also one of their favorites. This box is special because this came in with a cup of catnip. Wala lang, hindi ko lang pakita ngayon. I forgot where I kept it, but it came in a box of catnip and it looks like this. So basically, you put the catnip in here. May maliit na chamber dyan. And Insaf is in the mood to show off herself today. Diba, Insaf? Okay, so you put the catnip in here and then let them sniff it and let them enjoy the sensation of these little, you know, raised brush or something. And sobrang gusto nila ito. So the first night that we put this out, they enjoyed it so much. And it was like sobrang kaisen, nakakatuwa tingnan. So this is also sulit. This is also one of the cheaper ones. I do plan to purchase a longer version of this so that it's nicer. But pagdating na nung lighted ball, kasi medyo boring talaga pag yung regular ball lang. And I wanted it to be a little long and I wanted to purchase another set for our other cat rooms. So these are the purchases that I've made for 11/11 sale. I honestly don't plan to buy anything for 12/12 anymore. I think I've purchased everything that I need over 11/11 and over Black Friday. For Black Friday, I purchased like cricket stuff, beauty stuff, skincare that I want to research on. So those are the things that I normally purchase for myself. And I guess that's all for today. If you have any other questions about these toys or about cats, don't forget to leave them down through the comments below. Miso, come here. Don't forget to leave them down through the comments below dahil nag-iingay na si Miso. Ayaw na niya ako mag-video. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video and like this video. And if you're not yet a subscriber, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell button. Because I think there's something wrong with YouTube now. Hindi nakikita ng mga followers ko yung bagong videos, especially yung essential oils. So if you have any other questions, just reach out to me through social media and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
As long as you buy additional, like circuit, here. Ito yung cat ko na maingay, pero sobrang laki. Ito yung naririnig ko kanina kasi sumisigaw. So what's your problem? Do you want to be in magpapapansin na this is the anak of insan that's closest to